Good evening, everyone. My name is Argel Linares, a student from Danbantayan. In this video, I will discussing the four ethical theories. So first, deontology. Deontology is a duty-based ethical theory that says actions are moral if they follow moral rules and respect people as ends, not merely as means. Kant categorical imperative states that we should act only according to a principle we would want everyone to follow. For example, government transparency. So government officials have a duty to disclose disaster funds and follow transparency laws regardless of personal benefit. A conscience would say that hiding or misusing relief funds is always wrong because it violates the moral duty of honesty and respect for the public. And the second, utilitarianism. Utilitarianism focuses on consequences and says that the morally right action is the one that produces the greatest good for the greatest number of people. Then example niya is kanang typhoon or earthquake. Application when a typhoon hits, official might prioritize evacuation zones where the most people are at risk, even if some smaller areas with longer. The decision is justified because it saves the largest number of lives. Then the number three is virtue ethics. Virtue ethics focuses on a person's character, not just actions. It emphasizes developing moral virtues like courage, compassion, honesty, and integrity that help humans achieve eudaimonia or human flourishing. Then example niya is kanang leadership behavior. A community leader who personally visit evacuation center and comfort victims shows compassion and integrity. And the four, social contract theory. Social contract theory says that society is based on an implicit agreement where people give up certain freedoms in exchange for protection, order, and fairness provided by the government. Citizens and leaders both have obligation to follow laws for the common good. And the example niya is during emergencies, um, citizens follows evacuation order and safety guidelines because it is a part of the social contract. In return, the government must provide safe shelters for distribution of relief goods and protect if either side fails to uphold their responsibilities. The social republic. That's all.